Hi, kindergarten. Our lesson today is all about our country. Our country is called the United States of America. Did you know that we live in America? There are 50 different states in our country. Do you know which state we live in? If you said California, you are correct. California on the map is over here on the West Coast. We live at the very bottom in the southern part of California. We have a flag. The United States flag is made up of 13 stripes and 50 stars. The 50 stars symbolize the 50 states, and the 13 stripes symbolize the original 13 colonies. We sing the national anthem. America's national anthem is called the Star-Spangled Banner. Have you heard it before? We have lots of different people. America is made up of people from many different cultures. People speak different languages, have different religions, eat different foods, wear different clothes, and come from different places from around the world. This is one of the many things that makes America special. We celebrate the 4th of July. The 4th of July is also known as Independence Day. On this day, we celebrate America's birthday when the Declaration of Independence was signed in 1776, which declared that America was a free nation. We do many things for fun. Some of America's favorite pastimes are going to the movies, cooking, travel, spending time with friends or family, sports, and art. Okay, boys and girls, here is what you're going to do today. At the top of the page, you're going to write the name of our country. In this box, you're going to draw and color a picture of our flag. In this box, choose one of the things that Americans like to do for fun and draw it. And here, you're going to write a holiday that is celebrated in our country. Don't forget to do the quick check. Bye-bye.